Welcome to today's lesson on metabolism, where we will explore what metabolism is and look at examples of various metabolic reactions occurring within living organisms. In our lesson today, we will start by defining metabolism and understanding its significance in biological processes. We'll then dive into the different types of metabolic reactions that can occur, using specific examples to differentiate them. Specifically, we will look at anabolic reactions, which build complex molecules out of more simple ones, and catabolic reactions, which break complex molecules down into simpler ones. Finally, we will learn about the importance of metabolic reactions to the functioning of the human body and the maintenance of homeostasis. So far, you have learned some fundamental concepts in bioenergetics, including the importance of cellular respiration and photosynthesis in providing energy for living organisms. This foundational knowledge sets the stage for us to delve deeper into the intricate processes that govern metabolism. Let's get started. Metabolism is a fundamental concept in biology that refers to the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within a living organism to maintain life. These reactions are crucial for various functions, such as energy production, growth, and repair. Understanding metabolism is essential as it provides insights into how our bodies convert food into energy and building blocks for cells. You have already studied two essential metabolic reactions in this unit: respiration and photosynthesis. At the core of metabolic processes is respiration, where energy is extracted from glucose. There are two types of respiration you have learnt about already: aerobic respiration, which requires oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, which occurs in the absence of oxygen. The energy generated from respiration drives many of the body's chemical reactions, which are often controlled by enzymes, which are special proteins that act as catalysts to speed up these reactions. Now, let's look at the different types of reactions that metabolism can involve. Metabolism includes anabolic reactions, where simple molecules are built into more complex ones. Let's take a look at some key examples. In our first example of an anabolic reaction, glucose is converted into several complex molecules such as starch, glycogen, and cellulose. In plants, glucose molecules link together to form starch, an energy storage molecule. Plants also use glucose to create cellulose, a structural component of the plant cell wall. In animals, glucose is converted into glycogen, which is stored in the liver and muscles. Now let's move on to our second example. Lipids are formed when one molecule of glycerol combines with three fatty acids. This process creates fats and oils, which are important for energy storage and cell membrane structure. Finally, let's look at proteins. Proteins are made in a multi-step process. Amino acids are linked together in sequences to make proteins. Proteins are essential for numerous functions, including enzyme activity, cell structure, and signaling. Now, let's look at another type of metabolic reaction. Catabolic reactions involve breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy that can be harnessed for cellular activities. This is the opposite of an anabolic reaction. Let's look at some examples. Firstly, respiration itself is a catabolic process where glucose is broken down to release energy. A second example can be seen in proteins. When proteins are in excess, they are broken down into constituent amino acids. The amino group from amino acids is converted to urea in the liver. Urea is then transported to the kidneys and excreted in the urine. This process helps to remove toxic nitrogenous waste from the body. Metabolic reactions are essential in maintaining homeostasis, the stable internal environment necessary for survival. For instance, energy from respiration is used in countless activities, such as muscle contraction, brain function, and cellular repair. Without this metabolic reaction, these functions could not take place. Anabolic reactions enable the body to create new cells and tissues. As we have seen, anabolic reactions are involved in converting glucose into glycogen in animal cells, as well as numerous other processes. Catabolic processes, such as the breakdown of proteins into amino acids to form urea, are essential for detoxifying the body. Without such reactions, the body would not be able to transport or remove toxic nitrogenous wastes. Before we conclude, let's take a quick look at the etymology of the word metabolism. The term metabolism comes from the Greek word metabole, meaning change. Metabolism encompasses all the chemical reactions in the body, including those that break down nutrients to release energy and those that build up complex molecules. This vital process ensures that our bodies can grow, repair tissues, and maintain proper functioning. To summarize, metabolism is an important biological term that refers to the sum of all chemical reactions in the body. Metabolic reactions are categorized broadly into anabolic reactions and catabolic reactions. Anabolic reactions involve building up complex molecules from simpler ones, such as transforming glucose into starch and glycogen and using glucose to create cellulose, a structural component of the plant cell wall. Catabolic reactions involve breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones and can be seen in processes of respiration and the conversion of protein to urea in the body. By understanding these metabolic processes, we gain deeper insights into how our bodies function on a cellular level, how we utilize nutrients, and how we maintain the delicate balance necessary for health and survival. Through studying metabolism, we connect various biological concepts and appreciate the intricate web of reactions that sustain life.